Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of incredible machinery. From snowblowers to autonomous planters, these machines are pushing the boundaries of technology and efficiency. We're talking next-level engineering that can move mountains of snow, navigate treacherous terrain, and even plant a field of crops without a human driver. Get ready to have your mind blown by these 7 amazing machines you to see. Alright guys, buckle up because we're starting with a monster. Imagine you're at an airport and a blizzard just dumped a year's worth of snow on the runway. Flights are grounded, people are stranded, and it's pure chaos. Enter the Øveraasen TV 1000, the superhero of snow removal. This beast of a machine is basically a snow-eating monster truck. It's got not one but Volvo Penta engines that crank out a combined 1,000 horsepower. That's like strapping a jet engine to a snowblower, and what can it do with all that power? Well, this thing can clear a staggering 7,500 tons of snow. That's like clearing a football field piled high with snow like 10 feet deep every hour. It gobbles up the snow with its massive rotating augers and then blasts it up to 35 meters away, creating these awesome snowy arcs in the air. It's like a snow-hurling cannon. The Øveraasen TV 1000 is specifically designed for airports where clearing snow quickly and efficiently is critical. It's got these super-wide tires that give it amazing traction, even on slippery surfaces, and it can maneuver around obstacles like a pro. So next time you're at the airport after a snowstorm and your flight is miraculously on time, you can thank this beast of a machine for getting you in the air. From the wide-open spaces of airports, let's journey deep underground to the claustrophobic world of mining, where safety and efficiency are paramount. This is where the Elphinstone WR810 comes in, the Swiss Army knife of mining machines. This rugged support vehicle is like the ultimate multi-tool for underground operations. It's got a powerful Cat C 7.1 engine that gives it the muscle to handle heavy loads and navigate challenging terrain. But what really sets it apart is its versatility. The Elphinstone WR810 can be configured with a whole bunch of different attachments, making it adaptable to a wide range of tasks. Need to transport materials? No problem. How about lifting heavy equipment? It's got you covered. Need to install roof support beams? It can do that too. One of the coolest things about the WR810 is its new front-mounted cab option. This gives the operator an unparalleled view of the surroundings, which is crucial in tight underground spaces. Plus, the cab is ergonomically designed with all the latest tech and safety features to keep the operator comfortable and safe. So, while it might not be as flashy as a giant snowblower, the Elphinstone WR810 is a true workhorse of the mining industry, proving that sometimes the most impressive machines are the ones that just get the job done reliably and efficiently. Get ready to meet the future of farming, people, because the Mini GUSS is about to change the game. This isn't your grandpa's tractor, this is a self-driving spraying machine that's more precise and efficient than anything we've seen before. Imagine a world where farmers can sit back and relax while their crops are sprayed with pinpoint accuracy. That's the promise of the Mini GUSS, an autonomous sprayer designed specifically for vineyards and high-density orchards. This little machine is packed with some seriously impressive tech. It uses a combination of GPS, LiDAR, sensors, and sophisticated software to navigate rows of crops with incredible precision. It's like having a self-driving car for your farm. But the Mini GUSS isn't just about convenience, it's also about sustainability and safety. By precisely targeting the crops, it reduces chemical waste and minimizes exposure to potentially harmful pesticides. Plus, it frees up farmers to focus on other tasks, making their lives a whole lot easier. The Mini GUSS is a perfect example of how automation is transforming the agricultural industry, making it more efficient, sustainable, and frankly, way cooler. So next time you're enjoying a glass of wine or biting into a juicy peach, remember the little robot farmer that helped make it possible. Next up, we're talking heavy lifting with the Bulmor EQ120. An electric forklift that's as strong as an ox and as quiet as a mouse. This is what happens when cutting-edge battery technology meets the raw power of a heavy-duty side loader. Now, I know what you're thinking. A forklift? That's not exactly exciting, but trust me, the Bulmor EQ120 is in a league of its own. This thing can lift a whopping 18 tons. That's like lifting 3 African elephants stacked on top of each other. But here's the really cool part. It does all that heavy lifting using nothing but electric power. No diesel fumes, no loud engine noise, just pure, clean energy. And don't let the electric part fool you. This thing is lightning fast with rapid lifting speeds that will leave you in awe. The Bulmor EQ120 is designed for heavy-duty applications, like moving shipping containers, handling massive construction materials, or even lifting prefabricated building components. And thanks to its advanced battery technology, it can run for long hours on a single charge, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. So, the next time you see a massive object being lifted with effortless grace and whisper-quiet operation, you might just be witnessing the Bulmor EQ120 in action, proving that even the most industrial machines can be powerful, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Hold on tight because we're about to get extreme with the Menzi Muck M5X, an excavator that laughs in the face of gravity. This machine is built for the most challenging terrains on Earth, the kind of places where other excavators wouldn't dare to tread. Imagine a steep rocky mountainside, practically vertical, where even standing upright would be a challenge. Now imagine trying to operate an excavator on that treacherous slope. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's where the Menzi Muck M5X comes in, defying expectations and redefining what an excavator can do. This machine is a marvel of engineering, with a patented undercarriage concept that allows it to adapt to the most extreme angles and uneven surfaces. It's like a mechanical mountain goat, clinging to the slopes with unwavering stability. And it's not just about stability. The Menzi Muck M5X is also incredibly precise. It features a variable VX drive system that gives the operator incredible control over the machine's movements, allowing for delicate maneuvers even on the most precarious terrain. Whether it's building roads on mountainsides, constructing pipelines in remote areas, or carrying out forestry work in dense forests, the Menzi Muck M5X is the go-to machine for tackling the toughest jobs in the most unforgiving environments. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome even the most daunting challenges. Get ready to meet the undisputed heavyweight champion of the tractor world, the Quadtrac 715. This beast is the most powerful Steiger tractor ever built, and it's here to revolutionize modern agriculture. Now I know what you're thinking. A tractor? How exciting can it be? But trust me, this isn't your average John Deere. This is a 715 horsepower behemoth that's longer than a limousine and twice as heavy as a school bus. The Quadtrac 715 is designed for one thing: to tackle the toughest farming jobs with brute force and unwavering efficiency. It can pull massive plows, cultivators, and seeders with ease, covering acres of land in record time. But it's not just about raw power. The Quadtrac 715 is also packed with advanced technology. It features a state-of-the-art cab with touchscreen controls, GPS guidance, and a comfortable, climate-controlled environment for the operator. And to make sure it can handle any terrain, the Quadtrac 715 rides on 4 massive tracks, giving it unparalleled traction and stability, even in the muddiest fields. It's like a monster truck crossed with a spaceship, and it's here to take farming to the next level. So the next time you see a vast field of crops growing strong and healthy, remember the Quadtrac 715, the king of tractors, working tirelessly behind the scenes to feed the world. We're wrapping up this epic journey with a glimpse into the future of farming with the Gantry ROG 500, an autonomous planting machine that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is what happens when cutting-edge robotics meets the ancient practice of sowing seeds. Imagine a vast field, stretching as far as the eye can see, being planted with incredible precision and speed, all without a single human driver in sight. That's the reality-bending capability of the Gantry ROG 500. This autonomous planting machine is like nothing you've ever seen before. It's got a massive, centralized motor unit that powers multiple planting modules, allowing it to cover an incredible amount of ground in a single pass. And with its large seed tanks, it can work for hours on end without needing to stop for refills. But here's the really cool part. The Gantry ROG 500 is designed to minimize soil compaction, which is a major concern in modern agriculture. Its unique design and weight distribution ensure that the soil remains healthy and fertile, even after heavy machinery has passed over it. And with its advanced GPS guidance system, the Gantry ROG 500 can plant seeds with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that each seed has the best possible chance of germination and growth. It's like having a team of expert farmers working around the clock, but without the need for breaks, sleep, or coffee. The Gantry ROG 500 is a testament to human ingenuity, and our ability to use technology to solve real-world problems. It's a machine that has the potential to revolutionize agriculture, making it more efficient, sustainable, and dare I say, way cooler. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. We've journeyed from snowy airports to the depths of mines, from vineyards to mountaintops, and even into the future of farming. And along the way, we've witnessed the incredible ingenuity and engineering prowess that goes into creating these machines. Until next time, keep exploring the world of amazing technology.